I don't know how to do it dark. Okay, wait. Gotta get a full view of the doors. Look at those scary doors. Okay. Here, got really old bathroom. Ew. Okay. Turn that around. This, which room is this? Where's the light? You look for the light over there? Okay, look over here. Alright. Okay. This room used to be the X-ray room. Wait, where's the sign that says X-ray? Caution X-rays. Okay. And this is where the X-ray machine was. And here's the breaker to it, or whatever, power, whatever. And this is the room back here they developed the film in, the dark room. Oh, there's no light in there. Here it is. Okay. Whoa, I didn't even see this side. Look at this. There's like a shelf. Oh, look in the window where it was. There's glass right there. I wish we had a better light.
Jesus, why did they tear the ceiling down?
Leaks probably on. Look at that. This is crazy. Okay. Okay, I'm coming. Oh, there are nails everywhere. Okay. You're supposed to get the light. This is where we store our things. And, just a regular room. This is where there used to be stairs. And then there's another storage room. And another storage room. Oh, there's no light in here. Oh yeah, there's, okay. Okay, go into this room. Okay, this is the coolest room. This used to be the pharmacy area where they had their drugs and stuff. The patients. We got old cabinet, some really old pens and stuff. Like the 70s when this place was turned into a apartment. Okay. And we got some cool stuff in here. Some pictures of people.